the second class of azole derivative, that is triazole ring. In that, first is itraconazole. The structural similarity in between itraconazole and ketoconazole, but there is some difference, that is, instead of imidazole and ketoconazole there is presence of triazole. Okay, so first we will start. This is 6-membered ring containing 2 chlorine, then it is attached with this 5-membered containing oxygen, 2 oxygen, then methoxy. Over here there is presence of methyl triazole, then methoxy. 6-membered ring piperazine. In ketoconazole there is presence of acetyl and absence of this whole group, but in itraconazole there is 6-membered ring on this 6th position, on this nitrogen position, and it is attached with again one triazole ring which contains the 1-methyl propane and on 5th position ketone group. Okay, so how we can nomenclate it? Again same, we will start the nomenclature from this group. So on 4th, on 4th, on 4th, on 4th, on 2nd there is presence of 2,4 dichlorophenyl. Next, on 2nd position 1 hydro, because there is absent, this is the saturated carbon, methyl triazole. 1 ill, because this hydrogen is replaced with this CH2. Then this is 1,3 dioxolane, 1,3 dioxolane. Okay, then this is the methoxy, then phenyl, then 1 piperazine. This is the piperazine, xenyl, because this hydrogen is replaced with this. Then phenyl, this is phenyl. Then 2,4 dihydro. Okay, absence of hydrogen, absence of double bond, this is saturation. Then 1 methyl propyl, 5 1,2 1,2,4 triazole, and 5 ohm. This is about the nomenclature of itraconazole. Okay, another compound is fluconazole. Flu, there is presence of fluorine. We have to take 3-membered ring propane on 1, 2, 3. On 2nd position there is OH. On 1st and 3rd position triazole and triazole. Then on 2nd position there is presence of 2,4 fluoro, 2,4 fluorophenyl. Okay, then how we can nomenclate it? On 2nd position there is 2,4 difluorophenyl, 1,3 bis, because both groups are same. Bis 1 hydro saturated, 1,2,4 triazole, 1 ill, because hydrogen is replaced with this group, and propane, because 1, 2, 3 propane, 2 all, because of this OH. Okay, now next class is allylamine. In that, 2 example, naphthene and terbinafine. Naphthene, naphthalene ring. On this position there is presence of CH2 and CH3, CH2 C double bond O C phenyl. C in terbinafine, CH2 and CH3, CH2 C double bond C. Till this both structures are same, but this is replaced with this, that is C triple bond C, C CH3 CH3 CH3. Okay, nomenclature. N-methyl, we are considering this amine as a parent. N-methyl, N-phenyl, 2 propene on 2nd position double bond, 1 ill. Then 1 naphthalene, this nitrogen also contains naphthalene and methane amine. Okay, next is terbinafine, N6,6 dimethyl, this is an parent. N-methyl, N 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 6 contains 2 methyl, so 6,6 dimethyl. N naphthalene, methyl, heptane 7 membered, 2-ene on second position double bond, 4-ine on fourth position triple bond, 1 amine. Okay. Metabolism of terbinafine by CYP45 enzymes, 50 enzyme, including CYP1A2, CYP2C9 and CYP3A4. Next category is pyrimidine derivative, which is also called as antimetabolite. Flucytosine, which is also called as 5-flucytosine. Flu, it means fluorine, presence of fluorine, and it is pyrimidine derivative, hence the nuclear ring is pyrimidine. So pyrimidine 1,3 nitrogen, and on fifth position there is fluorine. On fourth position there is amino group. On second position ketone group. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nomenclature will be 4 amino on 4 amino, 5 fluoro, pyrimidine, 2 on because it is ketone. Then how it act? See, it binds the 5-flucytosine is metabolized, converted into 5-fluorouracil, and this 5-fluorouracil is responsible for the inhibition of the thymidylate synthesis, by which the thymidyllic acid is formed, and that thymidyllic acid is the essential component of the DNA, and it acts as a inhibition of DNA. Okay. Then metabolism, as we already discussed, it is converted to 5-fluorouracil from 5-fluorocytosine, but one enzyme, that is cytidine deaminase, which is responsible for the metabolization of the 5-fluorocytosine to 5-fluorouracil. Okay. There are some antifungal agents which are included in self-study, that is fluotrimazole, this is the structure. Then sulconazole, this is the structure. Then sertaconazole, this one is the structure. Vorniconazole, this one is the structure and this is the nomenclature. Then butanafine and then tolnaftate. Okay, thank you.